Hi friends, this video shows what is edge lights and how to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Then go to display. Go down, tap on edge lights. First understand what is edge lights. See, lights will appear on the edges of your display when you are receiving a call, notification or alert. So that is the edge lights. Here you can see the demo. So lights will appear like this when you receive a call, notification or alert. If you want this feature, you can just tap here and enable. Done. If you don't want, again tap here and disable. So this way we can enable or disable edge lights and we can use it like this. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.